In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Calendar. By the end, your Trello due dates will appear right inside your Google Calendar, so you can see everything in one place. Start in your Trello board. At the top of the board, open the small drop-down arrow next to the board title to reveal the different views available. Choose Calendar. This view shows your cards laid out by date, and only cards with due dates will appear here. If you don't see anything on the calendar, double check that your cards actually have due dates assigned. That's the key to getting them into your calendar later. In the calendar view, look for the option that says Sync to Personal Calendar. Click that. Trello will display a unique iCalendar link for this board. This link is what Google Calendar will subscribe to. Click. Copy URL to copy it to your clipboard. Treat this link like private information. Anyone with it can read your board's calendar details, although it remains read only. Also note, this is a one-way sync. Changes you make in Trello will flow into Google Calendar, but not the other way around. Now, switch to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, find the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus icon and choose from URL. In the field that appears, paste the Trello link you just copied. Then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will subscribe to that feed and create a new calendar under Other Calendars. After a moment, you should see your Trello due dates appear. If they don't show up immediately, give it a little time. Google refreshes subscribed calendars periodically, and it can take several minutes for the first load and later updates. Remember, you can't force a refresh from Trello's side, but edits to due dates in Trello will sync over automatically on Google's schedule. To keep things organized, you can change the new calendar's color so Trello items stand out from your personal events. You can also rename the calendar and adjust notifications in Google Calendar settings if you'd like reminders for those Trello due dates. Time zones are handled by Google Calendar, so make sure your Google settings match your working time zone for accurate start and due times. That's it. You opened your Trello calendar view, copied the sync link, and added it to Google Calendar from URL. You now have a clean, read-only view of your Trello deadlines alongside everything else, with zero manual entry required.